up, my people? It's your bro Ola Tony here. I'm back in with another banger strategy. I'm here to show you how to grow any type of account, small account, big account, prop firm with my NBA strategy. Guys, you don't want to miss this. This strategy has a 95% win rate. So if you want to know how to do that, stay tuned and watch me do that. Right now, I'm on the GBP USD on the 1 hour time frame. One thing I noticed is that this strategy works perfectly well on the GBP USD pair compared to other pair. You understand? When you're using the NBA strategy on GBP USD, bro, it has the least you can get is 90%. A bad day, 90% if you follow all the rules. If you follow all the rules, guys. If you follow all the rules, I repeat that again because I will explain how the strategy works so that you guys can understand. First, we need to identify the trend of the market. What did I say? Identify the trend of the market. From here, what can we see? Now, guys, I'm not selecting any market area or where maybe it works or doesn't work. You see, I'm on the latest GBP USD. So I'm on the latest GBP USD current prices where the market stopped. Today is a Sunday, so the market is not trading. Understand? We'll predict what just happened last week. Understand? This is a downtrend, so we had an uptrend. You can see the lows be broken, which signifies a downtrend. The low was broken here. The low was broken here. You can know that yes, we are in a downtrend. When we know we are in a downtrend, what do? You bring out your trend line tools. Bring out your trend line tools and map out those areas. So we can see downtrend, the lows broken. This trade is still going, this market is still going down because we're on a downtrend. When we know we're on the downtrend, what do? We map out the highs created, the lower highs created. Since this is a downtrend, we map them out. I'll tell you why we map them out. This is it now. This is it here. Map them out. We will map them into a channel. This is the first step, guys. We map them into a channel. Very good. So after we've done with this, what do we do now? We move to the 5-minute time frame. And when we move to the 5-minute time frame, we add some indicators, and it's those indicators we'll use to enter those trade. First, we're going to add the 20 exponential moving average. 20 exponential moving average. I'm going to use yellow color. You can use any color of your choice. That's what I just decided to use. Then we'll add the 50 moving average. We add the 50. Let me use purple. Let me just use purple. I'm not good with colors, guys. I'm just selecting these stuff at random. You can use any color. You just need a visible color which you can know, which you can just use to differentiate the moving averages stuff. So I just need to select different colors. You get, that's it. We've added 3 moving average, the 200, the 50 and the 20. That's it, guys. This is how it works. Now, first of all, we've seen on the 1 hour time frame that what do we have? We have a downtrend. So we're on a downtrend. Now, since we're on a downtrend, it's telling us that now we are only opportune to sell this market. We can't buy this market because we're on a downtrend. Now, the white one is the 200 moving average, and the purple one is the 50 moving average. The yellow is the 20 moving average. Before we can enter our trade, the 2 moving average, which is the 20 and the 50, must be below the 200 moving average. They must cross themselves below the moving average or have a retest. I will still explain everything I'm saying. We'll put everything into practice and you guys will see how powerful this strategy is. Let's get started. Now, we identify the trend here. Let's say we started trading from here. A 200 moving average is above the 2. We can enter this trade here because we can enter when we see a retest to the 50, because this 50 moving average serve as a support. It's like a key area where prices to go to and bounce off. You understand? It's a place where price can quickly go to, can retrace and go back to the rightful position the market is intending to go. But mind you, we have seen in the higher time frame, that's a bigger picture. In the 1 hour, that oh boy, we have seen that we're in a downtrend. Everything we are doing in the 5 minutes is that we're just catching those little movements in the market that will make up what will happen in the 1 hour. That's what we're just doing basically. What do we have here? We'll enter here when we have a retest to the 200. What do we have here? We enter when we have a retest to the 50. We enter for a short, and you enter for just 1 to 2. You enter when you see the retest, when the price retraces back. So enter here, then just take your 1 to 2. That's 1 to 2 risk reward. We've gotten more than 1 to 2. You're out of the market. Guys, don't take more than 1 to 2. If you want to achieve a 95% win rate, don't take more than 1 to 2. Don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. Don't be greedy, guys. We've won this trade. Let's see. Price went down. Let's see if we'll get more opportunities. Price went down. Price retraced back to what? The 50 moving average. So we can enter here. Guys, you can see anytime we come back to the 50 and it's a downtrend, the price will always go back. Now, you guys know how the market moves. The market can't just be moving on a straight line or in one direction. It has to move sideways. It has to go up, come down, retrace back, and adjust. We are just capitalizing on all of those movements. That's what we are doing basically. Simple. We enter here for a quick 1 to 2. What do we have? The price dropped. Let's say you missed this one. You go enter here. What do we have? The price dropped. We've got like three wins. What do we have? Do we have any other opportunity? I think we couldn't enter this one. I think this was maybe a news or something, because this is a huge spike. So we enter this. Mind you guys, you see, now let me explain the reason why part of the reason why we initially drew a trend line to understand the channel of the market. This is the reason, because price can't just be spiking down. The price has to retrace back and continue its original move. That's what really happened here. Whenever you see that the price is approaching this trend line, stay out of the market. You understand? For example, I think you could have gotten this one, but it didn't touch it. For advice, when the price gets to somewhere here, stay out of the market, because we're expecting a reversal. What happened? It touched here and the reversal happened. So it went back up. We'll wait for it to retrace back up. For example, it bounced up from here. Then we'll wait for it to come back under the 200 moving average again. Wait for us to see a crossing between these two moving average. This is the 20 and the 50 before we can enter again. Guys, I'm repeating all these things. I'm telling you the secret behind all these things. If you can follow this thing, I'll show you 95% win rate, because if you follow these rules, you have removed a whole lot of barriers which could maybe cause you a loss. Even that 5%, maybe it could be maybe a mistake you did or something. Because if you follow this perfectly well, my brother, you'll be in profit. You will be in deep profit. Deep profit. I know what I'm saying. You'll be in deep profit. Especially when you are using it with the GBP USD pair. This is a killer. This is a killer. You understand? Let's see. Let's cross this here. Cross this here. There's no opportunity for us to enter now. There's no opportunity for us to enter. You see, we can only enter in two ways. When, number one, when there's a crossing between the yellow and the purple under the 200 moving average, or when there's a retracement to the purple, which is the 50 moving average. You get? That's it. Let's see. We had an opportunity here. What do? You enter your trade and you put your stop loss above that high that created that move. You understand? You put your stop loss above that high that touched the 50 moving average. You enter here, put your stop loss, target your 1 to 2. You see the market even came up, but it didn't take us out. So what happened? The market dropped. Your 1 to 2 is intact. You wait again for a retracement or a crossing over. Can we see? Another one retraced again. You see, guys, this thing works like magic. Just follow the instructions carefully. Don't be greedy, guys. Don't be greedy. We had another win again here. The price dropped. 1 to 2 secured. Then, and you must be cautious. You must be checking. Is the price approaching the other trend line? You must be careful. I must watch. You see? And again, whenever you see a crossing between the 20 and the 50. Now, this is the reason why we have the 20 and the 50. The 20 and the 50 signifies maybe it's an uptrend or a downtrend, because the 20 and 50 is faster. It tells us whether it's in a downtrend or uptrend faster. Now, whenever the yellow one is above the 50, yellow one is 20. Whenever the 20 is above the 50, we know it's an uptrend. Whenever the 50 is above the yellow one, we know it's a downtrend. I just understand. Don't make mistake with the colors. I've told you why I use the colors, and just know the real moving average. Here, 50 is purple, 20 is yellow. Basic, guys. Basic, guys. Now we see a crossing here. What does that signify? It's telling us that, hey bro, trend is about to change. We'll hold on and wait for price to retrace back. Then we start scalping again. We had the crossing here. We wait for the price to retrace back, and so you guys can see this thing. Price came here and spiked down. So we know now we're in a downtrend again. What do? We wait for opportunities. Wait for it to come back and touch the 50. Then what do? You enter your trade. Quick 1 to 2. What happened? We got a quick 1 to 2 again. You see, guys, this thing is so interesting and easy if you follow the rules perfectly well. See, 1 to 2, easy. 1 to 2. This is where we stop. This is where the market stop. This is where the market stop. This is where the market stop. So the market retraced back here. So there's even an opportunity here. I think it retraced back to, there's a crossing here. We need to see a crossing. Now I can predict this market now. We need to see the 50 moving average to be higher than the 20 before we can enter. And I can assure you, there's already a crossing here. If you can see, there's already a crossing here. And when the crossing happen, the price will still go back to touch the 50 and complete that move. This is a downtrend, guys. You understand? This is just it, basically. This is the NBA strategy, guys. This is very powerful. Put this to practice. I want you to do this on your demo first before you move on to your live account, because this need a lot of practice. And watch this video repeatedly, and watch other of my NBA strategies videos. I think I have some couple of them on this channel. Watch more, because guys, if you just understand this, and I'm not just teaching you about the strategy, I'm telling you about the strategy and giving you reasons why we apply all these things, so that you can understand how the market moves, because you can't defeat the market with only indicators. No, you can defeat the market when you understand market structure. So we understood market structure. That's why we're taking advantage of this. That's it, guys. A wrap for me. Like this video, share, subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and just support this channel. Thank you so much. And if you have any question, comment below in the comment section, and I'll try my best to reply to everyone. Bye for now, guys.